guys, we are so excited you are here today on our channel. Normally we do free home makeovers, but this time we're doing something different. We have been running a furniture store in Canada for over 15 years and we have sold millions and millions of dollars in furniture. And we just wanted to share 5 tips today on things that you can do or things that we've done to help make our business successful, because I know there's people out there who maybe are starting a new business or trying to figure out what to do, how to run a family business. And so just as a way of giving back, we wanted to share some tips on things that have helped us. If you like the video, can you please remember to subscribe to our channel, give it a big thumbs up. On to the video. Okay, tip number 1 is choose your lifestyle. Before you even begin your business, figure out what kind of lifestyle do you want. Do you want to be stuck in the office 24/7? Do you want to have family time? Do you want to have a house in Hawaii? Do you want to be doing third world work? Whatever you want to do, make a plan, make a vision, make a goal, and then that will determine how much time you spend in your business. It will also determine what kind of business you want to do. For example, we chose when we started out our business that we wanted to do a lot of third world work, we wanted to do a lot of give backs, and we also didn't want to be married to our business 24/7. And so we set up our business where we hired amazing people who help us out so we aren't having to be at our physical store location every single day. In fact, we don't even live where our store is at. And this way we're able to work on our business from a distance. We work every day still, but we are also able to do free makeovers. We're able to travel to third world countries and do humanitarian work. So it's really important when you start a business that you figure out your lifestyle. Don't let your business control you. You need to stay in control of your business.
Tip number 2, visualize.
Every single day. I do this without fail. I visualize in my bed. I know that sounds bad, but you have to do it without your phone. So you have to think, you have to like put a picture in your mind how you want your life to turn out, how you want your family to turn out, how you want your business to turn out. So before I do anything, a new design, a new video, whatever I'm working on, I picture it in here, and I have found, this is like honestly for almost everything, if I can visualize it, if I can have a picture of how something is supposed to turn out, it will happen. So of course it doesn't happen exactly as I visualized all the time, but it's really close. So try taking time every day, between a half an hour to an hour, visualize what you want to do in your business, what you want to accomplish. Okay ladies, tip number 2 is to be authentic. So be authentic. Be authentic to who you really are, to who your brand is. If you are like a fashion designer, you're gonna wanna look really nice all the time if that's what you're showing. We own a furniture company and we run a family business. So people who follow us on social media, they see the good and the bad and the ugly of a family business. They see my house when it's messy, they see my house when it's clean. Just be real. And another thing I really think is important is ask your followers or people who watch you, ask them for their advice. Find out what they want. You are here for them, for your clients, for your customers. So ask them what kind of fashion they want, ask them what kind of furniture they want, what kind of movies they want to see, whatever you're involved in. Just be authentic, be yourself, and don't be afraid to ask people for help or to get advice from those who are buying from you.
All right, tip number 4 is be social. And since my wife's the expert at this, I'll turn the time over to her.
Okay guys, when we started this business, my husband told me, he's like, you gotta hit Facebook, you gotta hit Instagram, you gotta hit these social platforms, and I knew nothing about it. But I was authentic, I went for it. Do not hire out your social. No matter what kind of business you run, be social. So on Instagram, we have about 24,000 followers. We use something called Ninjagram, and we also use Later for all our scheduling. On Pinterest, we have about 500,000 followers. We also use Ninja Pinner. It really helps us out. Facebook, we use Facebook Ads Manager. You can post your ads on Facebook and Instagram. Guys, it's worth the investment because you can like target in your area where you want to send your ads. And then YouTube is just all about content. We use Google Ads to promote our YouTube channel. Guys, be social, right?
Let's do it.
You gotta be social, and Also, don't hire this out to someone else. This is the most important part of your business. It's your brand. You're in love with it. You adore it. So you need to express it and show it to your audience. How would you like to win one of these free pillows from India? Well, stay tuned and I'll tell you how. Tip number 5, guys, is to do giveaways. I totally believe in giveaways. I think that if anyone supports you or shops with you, you need to give back to them. Whether it's some cool beads, a funky plant head, whatever it is, whatever business you run, give back to your community. They deserve it, and it is the best feeling ever to be able to give back. Guys, I hope you liked the video. Remember to click on the subscribe button and to give it a big thumbs up if you like it. I really think if you try to incorporate these 5 tips into your business, it will really help you to become more successful. You guys are awesome. You guys deserve to be the most successful people and to be able to live the life that you want with vision. Until next week.